So based on the title of this video, you're probably wondering what in the world is going on. This is not clickbait. I'm actually going to tell you how you and I are killers. So if you're intrigued, if you're curious, in a science-based video, let's go ahead and go into and explore how you are a killer. You heard me correctly. You are a killer, murderer, assassin. Let me take it a step further. You are the most intelligent, calculated, organized mass murderer known to life. But how? This answer lies beyond the conscious you. The answer lies beyond the surface. The answer lies on the microscopic level. As you may be aware, humans and all living life, for that matter, are made up of cells. Your skin, your bones, your brain, your heart, all of it is made up of cells. You are a massive colony of cells working together to give you shape, order, ability, and above all, life. To do that, however, your cells are treacherous, highly defensive, hostile organisms that liberally end life millions of times over every day. Don't get it mistaken though, your cells don't love you. They never have and they never will. Why? Because they are you. Your existence is their existence. There's no room for emotion. But how exactly do your cells commit murder every moment of your life? Buckle up, Buttercup. You're one vicious cutthroat. Because you are human, you are made up of cells called eukaryotic cells, which can be as much as 100 times larger than their counterpart, prokaryotes. Not only that, many eukaryotes are designed to communicate and function as part of a whole, you. Prokaryotes, like bacteria, do not usually work together. While we think of things like bacteria as infectious, harmful, and overall unwanted, it simply does no justice to what eukaryotes do to poor prokaryotes. It's a daily slaughter. Eukaryotes have the ability to shift their structure, to move their organelles that keep them alive, to reform themselves like the subject of a terrifying science fiction film. This incredible ability allows them to engulf things like bacteria. Many of our cells are highly predatory and have the ability to sense, chase, trap, engulf, and then rip apart intrusive cells. In doing so, it not only engulfs these bacteria without so much as a warning, it intelligently moves its vital components, like the nucleus of the cell, where DNA is kept, out of the way as it bombards the engulfed bacteria with a variety of lethal agents before pulling apart the cell and breaking it up into smaller pieces. This process is called phagocytosis and is your cell's unbelievably cool mechanism by which it almost literally eats unwelcome guests. But while this is amazing in its own right, It is also believed that some eukaryotes have the ability to integrate information. To be more specific, when a eukaryote phagocytoses a bacteria, it is possible for it to not only kill said bacteria, but integrate some of its genetic material into itself. This process is called lateral gene transfer. Gene transfer is not new. It is the reason we are here. The transfer of genes from father and mother is called vertical gene transfer, but lateral gene transfer can almost be seen as stealing useful genes from helpless bacteria. That is mind-blowing to me. But let's not stop there. The reality is, not only do your cells have the ability to kill and to steal, they also may have the ability to enslave. It is thought by many that some of our organelles that give our cells various abilities, like energy production, come about due to the cell's ability to absorb bacteria, and instead of ending them, they repurpose them. This theory is usually brought about surrounding the mitochondrion, as the mitochondrion was thought to be a bacteria at one point, and eukaryotic cells simply engulfed them and began using this bacteria's ability to produce energy aerobically for itself. Now, in science, we often avoid anthropomorphizing your body's functions, but that is absolutely breathtakingly brilliant. So, you see, I wasn't lying. You are a killer. If you like it or not, it is simply part of the microorganism world that makes up who you are. And without it, namely your immune system, you wouldn't be here watching this video. So there it is. As you can see, it was not clickbait. I did actually had a presentation on the fact that we are killers. Innately, we are killers on a microscopic, a microorganism level. Hopefully you found the video informative, and I will hopefully have the pleasure of seeing your face in the next Physionic science-based video. So, without further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. See ya.